Hi guys, welcome back to Roshti Stream. So I hope you guys are doing well and are safe at your home. So for those of you guys who don't know me, hi, my name is Nidhi and I make videos related to beauty, skincare and lifestyle. So if all these things are your vibe, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell notification icon so that whenever I post video, you guys will get notified. And with that being said, let's just directly move on to today's video.
Cause I'm not just a pretty girl.
Okay, so in today's video I'm going to show you all that how I detan my face. And guys, जब भी हम लोग धूप में बाहर जाते हैं, our face get tan due to sun, and that ultimately leads you to pigmentation, dark spots, and also reduce your real complexion. So it is really important to bring back your glow and your brightness of your skin. For that we need to detan our face frequently. So I have recently discovered a new detan range by Ozone. So it's just a 3-step process which include a face wash, a face scrub and a face mask. Guys, I have been using these products for a while now and I had seen visible results. तो मैं अभी कल परसों बहुत ही ज़्यादा धूप में घूम रही थी, तो due to which my face get tan. As you guys can see, I had a lot of tanning. So I'm just going to do my detanning process in front of you all guys so that you can get to know better about these products. So let's start. The first step which I'm gonna do is, as usual, मैं अपना बाल बांध लेती हूँ. So I'm just wanna tie my hair like this. So and then we'll move to my detanning process. But before moving on to my detanning process, let me introduce these products to you all guys so that आपको इसके बारे में अच्छे से पता चल जाए that what this product claims to be and what ingredients it has. It's a 3-step process. So basically face wash and face scrub and face mask. तो और तीनों जो है वो 100 ग्राम का है and you will get all 3 in 400 rupees and all the products are of 100 grams. So I think it is quite affordable. Like you are getting a face wash, a face scrub and a face pack in just 400 rupees guys. So it is really affordable and you may find certain discounts on their website. So I will provide their website link down in the description. Don't forget to check that out. And now let's talk about its ingredients. It includes very organic ingredients such as aloe vera gel, shea butter, cucumber. And guys, if you know about all these ingredients, you know that वो सारे ingredients कितने ज़्यादा soothing है for our skin. It just deeply cleanses your skin and makes your skin so cold and so glowy and so glowy. And if you know about all these ingredients, you know that it just helps you to remove all those pigmentations, dark patches, and just make your skin smooth and glowy. And guys, I personally love all this. I personally love cucumber, I personally love aloe vera, and if you know me, you know that how much I love skincare. So I'm happy with their ingredients. So yeah, that's all about its ingredients, price range and all sort of. So now let's just quickly move on to my detanning process. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cleanse my face, and for that I'm going to use Ozone Detan Face Wash Cleanse, and it says that it cleanses, removes tans and it imparts healthy skin. So yeah, I'm here for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of this product on my hand. And then you have to massage it onto your skin in circular motion.
The mild face wash removes dirt and stubborn tan from the skin while re-energizing it from the within, and it has organic ingredients like aloe vera, cucumber, lactic acid, and it just gives your skin a brighter appearance, and it also results a smoother texture and reduce dark patches and pigmentation.
Okay, so I have washed my face and you guys can see that how nicely it has cleansed my face. Like it is so gentle on your skin. Like you will fall in love with this product when you use it. So yeah, that's all about the face wash. Now we are going to move on to our second step, that is scrubbing. So for scrubbing, I'm going to use Ozone Detan Scrub. It says that it removes dirt and tan, and it also exfoliates your skin, and it says that it's renew skin cells. So yeah, I'm just going to use that. So what I like to do is, again I'm going to take this much amount and I'm just going to gently massage it to all over my skin.
The scrub gently exfoliates the skin while lightening harsh tan and deep pigmentation. It is formulated with a blend of walnut powder, aloe vera, and the scrub is extremely moisturizing and caressing on the skin, and it helps to attain a visibly radiant complexion over
My
time.
neck, oh my god, I had hell lot of dirt over. I'm also gonna apply it on my neck. Okay, so I'm done with the step number 2, that was scrubbing, and now we are going to move on to the third and the last step, that is face pack. So for the face pack, I'm using Ozone Detan face pack, and it says that it replenishes, removes tans and hydrates your skin. So yeah, I'm just gonna use that. So what I like to do is, so I'm just gonna take this much and gonna
It effectively removes tans, pigmentation, black spots, and dark patches while giving a renewed glow and life to the skin. It has aloe vera, shea butter, and cucumber that helps in removing tan and improve complexion and add enough hydration to the skin, and as a result you will get a bright even tone complexion that is devoid of any tanning or pigmented patches.
So yeah guys, I'm done with the face pack as well. I'm just going to keep it for a good 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash it with water and gonna pat dry it. So, and I'll see you after that. So guys, I have washed my face and I'm done with my detanning process. So this is how I usually do my detanning process, and you guys can see the visible result. खुद देख के बता सकते हो कि पहले मेरा स्किन कितना ही ज़्यादा डल सॉर्ट ऑफ था, and after doing my detanning process my face has become more bright, more glowy and more hydrated, and that is what I love about these products. Like आपको एकदम इतना ज़्यादा messed up भी नहीं करना पड़ रहा है, and you are getting such a good result with such affordable price. I'm totally loving this product, so I'll highly recommend you all. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you आपको ये पसंद आया होगा, and if you really like this video then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share it with as many people as you can, and comment down below did you like this video or not, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay happy and stay positive. Bye bye.